Hey dear, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I'm going to show you how to create account in Duda and how you can create trial account so that you can create your website without any payment, without your credit card. So if you are new and trying to use best website builder to create professional website for you, your business, for your clients, then you can continue this video. Here I'm going to share the easy video guideline so that you can start using Duda very easily, because here I'm going to share step-by-step tutorials one by one every day in my YouTube channel. So let's get started. First of all, I'm going to search in Google Duda, and here is the Duda website URL in the top search list, and just click on the title to go to their website. Here is the Duda official website, and we wanted to start a free trial, so you can see that in the top right corner the start a free trial icon, and I'm going to click on this icon or on this button. And in the previous tutorials I have shared a lot of things about Duda website, why you should use this website and what is the benefit of this website, and why Duda is best than others website builder or others other CMS. So just going to click on start a free trial button. Then here I can sign up with my Google account, so I'm going to click on this button, sign up with Google, and you can see that try Duda free for 14 days, no credit card required. Okay, so I'm going to click on the sign up with Google, then select my Gmail account, then click on the confirm. So easy and so simple. I have to not import any information here because all the information retrieved from my Google account or from my Gmail. So just loading and integrating my email account with Duda. So this is very easy, and you can see from the beginning of this tutorials. Okay, just waiting a little bit time to complete the sign up process. Okay, by this time we can check our email. Wow, you can see that we get an email from Duda team. Congratulations, your 14 days free trial has begun. So just open this email. Wow, congratulations. Okay, now I can start using Duda. Just click on the login now button, click on it. Okay, so now I think I have to reset my password because I don't know what is my password. So just click on the forget password link and add my email here to reset password. Enter my email, reset password, then I will get another email in my inbox. You can see that the email has been sent here. So just open this email, click on the reset password. So simple, just adding new password, click on the change password button. Okay, now I can log in my Duda account because I have email, I have password. Yes, it's working. Wow, welcome to Duda dashboard. We are just on the Duda dashboard right now. Now we are ready to create our first site. You can see that in the top right corner my account here. I can get all the account information from here. Also I can change others details from here. Okay, and in the site menu you will find all the site you have created. In here you will get clients management option, clients billing, team permission. You can create custom template section, white label, you can add custom domain, custom branding, client invitation. Also here are the business tools, API access, JPR, get more clients, simple editor, star, resource, product update, idea board, sales, co-retailer, case studies, webinars, developer portal. Okay, so we are just going to create our new site. Click on the create new site button. Then you have to select what type of site do you want to select. For example, portfolio, landing page, business site, lifestyle, online store. I am just browsing. So basically in this tutorials I am not going to create website because this tutorial is only for how to create your Duda account. In the next tutorials, I'll show you how to create your first website in Duda. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day. Bye bye.